Welcome back to our channel. Today, get ready to be amazed because we're diving into the world of black castor oil. You won't believe the incredible uses we've uncovered. But before we dive into the surprising uses, let's talk about what sets black castor oil apart from regular castor oil. Black castor oil is made from roasted castor beans, which gives it its distinct dark color and a slightly smoky aroma. Regular castor oil, on the other hand, is made from raw castor beans. The roasting process of black castor oil also contributes to its unique composition, making it even more beneficial for various uses. Now that we know the difference, let's explore the surprising uses of black castor oil. Our first surprising use for black castor oil is for promoting luxurious hair growth. Yes, you heard it right. Black castor oil is known for its hair strengthening properties, stimulating the scalp, and promoting healthy hair growth. Get ready to rock those fabulous locks. Moving on to something unexpected, black castor oil can work wonders for your eyebrows and eyelashes too. If you dream of thick, luscious brows or flutter-worthy lashes, black castor oil is here to save the day. Apply it with a gentle brush and watch the magic unfold. Now, let's talk about the skin benefits of black castor oil. It's a natural moisturizer and can help improve skin elasticity, reduce wrinkles, and even out skin tone. Say hello to a radiant and youthful complexion. Hold on tight, because here comes a surprising use. You can use black castor oil to condition and nourish your nails. Its hydrating properties will keep your nails strong and prevent them from becoming brittle. Healthy nails for the win. Are you struggling with dry and chapped lips? Well, black castor oil is here to rescue those smackers. Apply a small amount to your lips for intense hydration and say goodbye to dryness. Alright, folks, get ready for this one. Black castor oil can be your secret weapon against stretch marks. Its moisturizing properties can help reduce the appearance of stretch marks and improve skin elasticity. Embrace your beautiful skin with confidence. Let's move on to the surprising use of black castor oil for soothing muscle and joint discomfort. Its natural anti-inflammatory properties make it a go-to solution for post-workout recovery. Massage it into those sore muscles and experience the relief. Here's a hidden gem: black castor oil can be used to promote healthy and luscious eyelashes. Its nourishing properties can help strengthen and lengthen your lashes, giving you that glamorous flutter. Bat those beauties. Are you tired of dealing with dry, itchy scalp or dandruff? Say no more. Black castor oil's moisturizing and antifungal properties make it a fantastic remedy for scalp issues. Wave goodbye to the flakes and hello to a healthy scalp. And there you have it, my friends, 10 surprising uses for black castor oil that you never knew existed. Who would have thought this little bottle could do so much? Black castor oil is a true powerhouse. So, go ahead and try out these incredible tips. Your beauty and wellness game will never be the same again. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting content. Interested in trying black castor oil? Find it at esterleysmarket.com and use code 30YT for 30% off. Comment below if you've ever tried black castor oil or plan to try it. See you next time.